we'll see what it wants to do. When did you enter the put?
About 6 minutes ago, I was watching the fall off on the 1 minute, and it
Oh,
wasn't a
right
very,
here.
yeah, and it wasn't a very big group of 1 minutes
Okay.
compared to the
Well,
rest of the
right
day.
here it just pulled. It just pulled right here. But you've got to just be careful here, only because, and I mean, I can see the EWO is starting to fade. You see this down here? So it is starting to fade, which looks good. But right now in this little pattern, this is a bull flag right here. You see this?
Okay.
So on the 1 minute, this is a bull flag. That doesn't mean it's going to continue to go up. But the good thing is if this breaks this channel that I just drew out to the downside, now we're
Yes.
at this channel, which means then you're going to get a move down to here. Then you're going to start seeing these right here. The sellers are going to start picking up. Buyers are going to start to fade, and then it'll pull back down to this channel. So you're in business as long as it stays below this line that I got right here, okay? SPY moving up to the upside. SPY new high a day. There it goes. There's a nice pull for you. And see right here, you see how the EWO is fading? This is all good for you. See how we're in this lower channel? Now if this breaks, we're going to be in the
Yeah.
next channel, breaking 734. So that's good. Good job, JP. That printed money for you.
Yeah, I was comparing it to the 1026 if you look at that.
Let me see. Hold on. 1026. Oh, yeah, I see it right here where it broke down this spot.
Yes.
This one's a little bit easier to read, though, because if you look at the trend line here, you see this fading, 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 pulled below VWAP, pulled below 200 pull. This one we're out in no man's land, but you got to use the EWO. See it here showing fading. So that's really good. But see this 730 now is the next mark. If that can break 730 to the downside, though, you could gap back down here to the 715 range. See it? Which would be really nice for you on a put. If I was scalping, right, I could scalp off the 730 back to this upside until it decided to pull back, right? I could be making these quick moves. SPY right there. Oh, look at, there's your first red, second red right there on your 2-minute EWO. See it?
Yes, I got to go to the 2 minute.
Yep, that's all good. That's all good for you. SPY